What's up, everyone? It's been a minute, and as you can tell from my COVID hairstyle, which used to be, I think, around here when I started, it's been a very long time since we've done one of these. There's been really nothing interesting arriving in the mail, except for, and anybody who's ordered this stuff can relate, Cactus Jack Travis Scott merchandise. This guy will sell you something and then take 5 months to get it to you. And so we bought a whole bunch of stuff from his website directly. And the one thing that is very cool about that is, at least unlike the Nike sneakers, you can actually get this stuff. I think he basically makes it to order. And he's one of those guys that really wants his fans to be able to get his merchandise. So it actually is easy to order. It just takes forever to receive. And I know that that really annoys some people. To me, I guess you can look at it kind of like a random Christmas gift or something that shows up once you completely forget about it. So we have 3 items that we've ordered. I've never ordered anything from Travis Scott or Cactus Jack before. Then I ordered a bunch of stuff, not knowing what to expect. And they've all kind of arrived at the same time. So we've got 3 different things to look at. And the really fun one is in this box, but I want to kind of go over what we purchased and kind of what we think about it. Before I do that though, you might notice something. I'm usually the one that's trying to style her, but she ripped my style. She copied my jacket. Yeah. So we were in Denim Voltaire. I have no idea if that's how you say it. It's a French brand. And I actually bought this jacket, I don't know, sometime last year. It was originally, I think, $1,000, and I picked it up for $300, something like that. And I really love it. It's like a crinkled lambskin, so it's very usable. It looks nice. It's ridiculously soft. And there's a Denim Voltaire store that opened up in a local shopping mall called Valley Fair. And we went there after the Christmas season was over, and they basically had the same jacket in her size for, let me see here. The tag, originally it was $900 and you got it for, do you remember?
I think it was like 200 or 300.
I think it was around 300, yeah. So now she's copying me, and honestly, as much as I want to look cohesive, I do not want to look identical. So what did I do?
You bought a white one.
I went and I bought this the same day, and quite honestly, this piece is ridiculous. I do not know when I will ever wear a white lambskin, basically jean jacket style jacket, except for right now. And I'm gonna apologize if you see my waistline, because I am not that into white, certainly not for shirts. They're just hard to take care of. The sweat and they stain, and it's, I much prefer black, but because she jocked my style, I'm going to wear this right now. How's the look? Good. Really? I thought you were going to say ridiculous. This is some straight Miami Vice stuff right here. Can you set that over there?
I don't know. I look better in the black jacket anyways.
Yeah. Well, anyway. At least we're not matching anymore. So, up first thing to arrive. Cactus Jack McDonald's slippers. These were $50. And I honestly expected garbage. I expected maybe cheap, like $15 slippers or something. These actually are pretty good quality. I'm not gonna open them because I might actually just sell them. I've got so much random stuff coming in, and I don't know that I have a realistic need for these, but I'll put an up close when I make this video. The embroidering, the stitching, actually looks really, really good. And in fact, in the photos when I ordered, it looked like it was just going to be a vinyl print. So this is actually better quality than I was expecting. quite a bit of foam, embroidering that says Cactus Jack, McDonald's. The side here has a Cactus Jack McDonald's tag. That's actually really cool. Nobody can do it like Cactus Jack can, it says. Overall, 50 bucks, especially for, you know, the price point that Travis Scott shoes come in. It's pretty good value. The second item we received was this. This is a Cactus Jack Do Not Disturb door tag, and you want to review this? I think you can say everything I would say about it. What do you think of this?
It looks really cheap.
It's basically a cheap piece of crap. This thing is probably a millimeter thick plastic. It I don't know. I mean, we recently bought a couple of Do Not Disturb door tags for our friends, the Icy Hot Partner in Crime's children, and they were really, really nice, and it's not that hard to make a nice door tag. You basically just need some thickness and some quality, not, you know, flimsy plastic. Anyway, this was $25. This was a huge L. This is terrible. So, we're 1 for 2, and now we're on to the good stuff. Oh, I should also show you this. So this is a really nice touch. This came with the slippers. It's a Cactus Jack McDonald's bag. That's pretty cool. Now, before I show you what's in here, I will say that if this is good, I'm keeping this and we're pairing them together. If this is not good, then this is getting sold as well. So what this is a Supreme, what do you call these? It's a lantern. What's that?
Lantern.
So it's a Supreme lantern, which is actually kind of cool, but also I've got no real good use for this. Unless this works out well, then these two pair perfectly together. So, you want to do the honors, or you want me to do it?
Do it.
Where's the top? Is the top? Alright, you want to help me? It's a box in a box, so let's take that box and just go ahead and put it over there somewhere.
Installation instructions.
Alright, well, it's packaged well, and that's good because I think that this actually can be fragile. You know, bend that back. Alright, what do we have? It is a Cactus Jack Neon Sign. Oh wow, and it actually looks like, so I wasn't sure how they were going to deliver this. I wasn't sure if it was just going to be something you have to hang from a wall, if it was going to have a stand, how it was going to be mounted, and it looks like there's basically some acrylic that it's mounted to hold it all in place. So that's actually pretty cool. You want to plug it in? Can you help undo that? Is it just a switch, or is there
there's a switch.
just on and off? You can toggle it? Okay, that's kind of neat. Should we kill the lights? Let's try killing the lights. I think maybe that's good enough. That looks pretty cool, right?
It's smaller than I thought.
Kind of dig it. What do you think?
Where are you going to put it though?
I don't know where we're going to put it.
Actually, I think you could put it right there. In the corner.
We could hang it on the post.
No.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest Travis Scott merchandise fan. Haven't been on board with it since day one. Like the music, it's fine, but I'm not all about that life, I'd say. This is still a pretty cool piece of merchandise. And if you think about it, so this was $300, and his shoes, I mean, for non-hype ones, are still $600 or $700. The good stuff over $1,000. This right here, pretty cool. Good value for the money for Travis Scott. So I'm happy with it. I think I will probably keep it. I don't know exactly how I will use it, but I like cool stuff. I think this is cool. So I'll count this as a win. We're 2 for 3. It's pretty good. What do you think?
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
That's also a win. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.